Okay, it's a beautiful 20 degrees plus evening. I've seen quite a few people are going out tonight, so I thought I'd give it a spin in two minds, because got other things to do, but couldn't resist, and it just confirmed how much I love this bike. I'm getting old and my brain is not as good as the bike anymore, in the fact that I turned the bike on, well, turned everything on, went to start the bike, it started first kick's always a little bit like so much compression, second kick it started, and then I just went down the road, started fine, it seemed like it was going alright, got halfway down my street, and it started to sound like it was only running on 3 cylinders, or something seriously wrong with it, and I thought, oh, here we go. And I hadn't turned one of my petrol taps on, because I got 2 taps, one to supply 1 and 3, and one to supply 2 and 4. And yeah, I forgot to turn one on. So incredible that not only did this bike start second kick on 2 cylinders, it was running on 2 cylinders, and yeah, it sounded great. But the first setting off, I didn't notice. So what a machine! You know, I'm super impressed with that. But you know, sometimes they say these are difficult to start. To start on 2 pots, brilliant machine. So anyway, I've just barreled through at least 10 minutes of hideous evening traffic, and hopefully now we can get on a bit of more open road. The handling, I say every time I get on the thing, but the handling is so much improved. Every corner previously was a bit scary. Now it's solid as you like. I'm getting used to my clutch as well now. Before it used to be a right pig. It's still difficult. It's much better. It doesn't grate, and it's not all horrible now. So it's been a pretty crappy ride so far. I'm enjoying the bike, but the roads around here at this time of night is now can't see what the time is, 10 to 7. And the traffic is horrendous. But the bike is absolutely sweetheart. It's never been this good, I don't think. Some nice cars in there. Wow, I'll have to come and have a look at that place sometime. Yeah, the choice tonight, Wednesday night, was Wateringbury again. I know the few guys are going down there. Or Rycle. Now, in hindsight, I think watering would be a better ride. Although there's some M20 involved. Quite like that on this thing. Okay, first time in 2024. Okay, some good bikes here today.
Your RG did sound very nice when you turned up.
Right.
Secretly hank after one of those. I don't know when we're going to get one.
This one's the same year as my one. That's interesting, they're both the same year, isn't it? Because they're quite different. But I'm wondering, is this leaking something?
Oh, they always do. Leak.
Hopefully mine isn't.
Yours leaking? Oh, that's normal then.
Oh, it's 250, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, right, that's how it nearly bolts straight on. I bet that's well over a plate though, isn't it? It's about one disc.
Right, that's everything I think. Right, I might see you the weekend. All the best.